Hi, this is Nicholas Vardy, editor of the Oxford Swing Trader, and welcome to this week's edition of Swing Trading Next Picks. Now in this week's video, I want to review in some detail the mechanics of a successful swing trade. Now, to be clear, the results of this particular trade are not typical, but they do give you an idea of the kind of results you can get through using swing trading techniques. And it doesn't take too many trades just like this one to make a big difference in the value of your trading portfolio. And yes, these results do work in the real world. As Michael H. writes, regarding CVNA, I purchased one contract in the 180 option for $27 and the underlying for $182.34. Today I sold the option for $53 for a 96% gain and the underlying for $221.16 for a 21.3% return in just about 11 days. The total return on the position was 65%. Well done, Michael. Now, let's take a deeper dive into Michael's trade on CVNA. On September 10th, I recommended Tempe, Arizona-based Carvana company, ticker symbol CVNA, one of the leading online retailers in the United States, to my subscribers at Oxford Swing Trader. Now, thanks to higher than expected sales, Carvana had just reported consensus-beating second quarter results. Still, Carvana stock had sold off sharply in the previous week. Now here's what the stock chart for Carvana looked like when I recommended it. The stock was now trading a whopping 23.46% off its recent high of $235. My recommendation on that day was to buy Carvana company CVNA at market and to set your stop at $162.25. My target price for the stock was $231, or about a 28% gain above its then current level. I also suggested that speculators may want to look at the November 20th $180 calls. So let's now take a look at Carvana's chart to see how it fared. Now Carvana traded between roughly $177 and $184 the day I recommended it. Then on September 22nd, it rocketed as much as 35%, hitting a high of $234.74 on news of record results for Q3. Now that's an eye-popping gain in the stock over just 10 trading days. Then Carvana continued to soar even more, hitting a high of $242.15 on October 1st. But also note that since then the stock sold off sharply all the way down to $192. Now this stock action goes to the heart of why swing trading can be so successful. We look to lock in solid double-digit gains over the very short term. That way you avoid the pain of sharp pullbacks. Now for subscribers of Oxford Swing Trader, I also always recommend options to turbocharge your potential returns on swing trades. And the options I recommended in Carvana generated a gain of up to 104%. Now, not every swing trade I recommend will work out as well as Carvana did, but many of my recommended swing trades do generate steady double-digit gains over the short term. And remember, at Oxford Swing Trader, I recommend an average of 2 swing trades like this each week. That means you get about 100 recommendations like this over the course of an entire year. Now that compares with many other services that offer you 2, maybe 3 trades a month. So join me at Oxford Swing Trader. The link to sign up is in the description below. Stay tuned for the next edition of Nick's Picks 2 weeks from today. Thanks for watching.